A bookstore, an online bookstore, is a little bit different than a sales funnel. You guys hear me talk all the time about funneling your books, taking every book that you write, turning it into a sales funnel so you can make more money. This is separate from your sales funnel. So when I do promotions, I always promote to a sales funnel. This is just a one-stop shop where somebody can purchase all of your books at the same time. That's an online bookstore. Okay, so I actually looked up the definition of a bookstore, and it says a store where books, plural, are sold. So if you have a website where you're selling just one book, that is technically not a bookstore, okay? So I'm talking about plural, multiple books that you have written. My first bookstore online bookstore that I ever created was in 2009. So I am a filmmaker, and I would always produce movies that had Bible study guides with them. And so, praise God, I actually found two of my first Bible study guides, right? How cool is that? So I made the movie The Christ Effect first, and so this is the Bible study guide companion that I sold with it. And then I made a movie called Youth of Christ, and then this is the Bible study guide that I sold with that one. So both of these were available as sets on the actual website, which made it technically a bookstore. And then when I transitioned my business from young adults, because those were made for teenagers, into spiritual development, I started writing daily devotionals. And so the next time was when I put my daily devotionals on my website. So some of the ones that I wrote, Young Christian Joy was technically the first daily devotional that I ever wrote. So this one teaches women of Christ how to use Bible scriptures in order to overcome from anxiety. And then this one is the Achieve Your Goals daily devotional, which you can actually still find on godthewoodgirl.com. I forgot that I still had it on there. But yeah, so these daily devotionals I had on my website. And then I transitioned my business into business development. So if you go to godthewoodgirl.com right now, you'll see the books that I have. I have how to make a sales funnel that earns money while you sleep, how to start a t-shirt business is on there. I have like a lot of books on there. And now I'm transitioning to novels. So these are 2 Christian romance novels that I've written. I'm working on so many right now, sisters. Like when I tell you I'm building the store, all glory to Jesus. So I just want to tell you, kind of walk you through the process of how I'm doing it so that you can do the exact same thing. So the first step for how to start an online bookstore so you can sell your books online in one e-commerce platform. Step number 1 is to really identify your niche. Your niche. Your niche is the problem that you solve with your books. You'll notice that as I was pulling up those different books, I was speaking to a specific category. These are for youth groups. These are daily devotionals. These are Christian romance novels. These are business development. These are self-help. So you want your store to be centered around a theme.